Texas Bank is a vital part of our community. Without Texas Bank, our schools, kids, family, and our economies wouldn't enjoy the quality of life that Brownwood has to offer. Texas Bank is more than free checking and low interest rates. It's scholarships, volunteerism, and charitable contributions that make our community what it is. That is why I choose Texas Bank. Proven, local, strong.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Thursday morning, December 3rd weather update on KOXC.com and the KOXC app. And at the Brownwood Regional Airport, we do have some clouds overhead this morning. The temperature right at the freeze mark, 32 degrees. The wind is coming in from the west at 8 miles per hour. The barometer falling, and we have a wind chill to start the day at 25 degrees this morning. So those clouds helping a little bit, kind of a blanket, keeping us warmer than we would otherwise be if we had clear skies. Downtown Brownwood here at KOXC, 35. Brady coming in at 33. Coleman also checking in at 33, and we have 33 in Burnett as well as Lampasas. Comanche at 36, and Stephenville checking in at 39 degrees. Your weather headlines for the day today. There is going to be a chill in the air all day today. Not totally going to get rid of the gusty northwest wind, and we'll have some clouds. The temperatures stay in the upper 40s to near 50, and then weekend temperatures are back to normal. And this time of year, that's pretty close to 60, 62 for a high temperature. That is normal, and I'm afraid the rain is hard to come by, though I do have a slight chance in the forecast. Texas weather, the stormy weather has moved out of the state of Texas, and of course you can just barely see some snow up there in portions of Oklahoma and Kansas. Closer look at that for you in just a moment, but you notice the cloud cover kind of moving on down into the area. So on the backside of this winter storm, we're going to see this cloud cover from north to south make its way into the area. Now there is, and we're using the Dodge City, Kansas radar right here, and there's still snow flying this morning from Great Bend, Kansas down to Pratt, on down to Liberal, Kansas. So that's kind of what's left of the snow. How much snow is on the ground? You're going to be amazed as we look at one of the high-resolution model projections of snow depth. And between Woodward, Oklahoma and Liberal, Kansas, a community up here named Buffalo especially, yeah, that's 16 inches of snow, and that is very localized, but there have been some 10, 11-inch snow amounts in this area, generally in yellow and red. Right in here, northwest Oklahoma. Southern Kansas, we've got our southwest Kansas, 8 inches of snow. Back down into Texas, 1.6 inches near Perryton, and just northeast of snow, so it has been a major weather system. For the next 12 hours, maybe some snow flying through Oklahoma City, but as you can see, Texas is mostly dry. Maybe some showers on the state line there with Louisiana, but the high pressure beginning to build in. The rest of your weather maps and the 7-day forecast coming up next.
I'm a regular guy, not some celebrity endorser. You see, instead of paying for some big-name spokesperson to hype the same old run-of-the-mill account, Kasasa Checking gives that money directly back to you in the form of cash rewards. In fact, you just bought me this cup of coffee. See how that works? Amazing! Free checking, cash rewards. Take back banking with Kasasa.
Visit First Central Credit Union today. FirstCentralCU.com.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Well, the low pressure area keeps trucking off to the east, and the rain goes with it. High pressure building in over the next 24 as well as 36 hours. Not too much to write home about here. And double barrel high pressure ridges over the top of us as we get into the Saturday time period. But there's a little bit of a low pressure out here in Mexico, believe it or not, and it may try to ride up into southwest Texas. Saturday night, an isolated shower, big question mark, and doubtful, but might mention that, and we'll keep an eye on it. We'll take any kind of precipitation we can get this time of year. Today, that's not going to happen, though. 46 degrees, our high temperature, and we'll have partly cloudy skies, and the wind chill is with us. And this morning we have the wind chill in the 20s, but during the day today, most of the day, we'll have wind chills in the 30s. So a good part of the day, thanks to our northwest wind 10 to 20. And we'll want to warm our hands here on the fireplace tonight as 25 degrees. Once again, for the overnight low, the skies kind of clear out a little bit, and we'll have the wind chill in the upper teens. teens with the northwest wind kind of calming down a little bit. So another cold night tonight. Tomorrow looking better, 59 degrees, mostly sunny, just a little bit warmer, and the wind shifting back to the west and maybe northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. In your 7-day weather forecast, a little bit of a warming trend here coming into the weekend. And when I say near normal temperatures for this time of year, this is what I'm talking about. Temperatures 60 to 62. That's where we should be. Overnight lows are going to be very near or just below freezing for the next several nights, and I've added a slight chance of rain, 20% in your forecast, but we're still 7 days away from that. That is your weather update on KOXC.